This is the tutorial for the capsule design project. On this set of slides, you're going to see a summary of all of the premises that you can choose from to complete the document, a separate set of slides, and the flip grid. So let's start with the premise. You're going to create a capsule wardrobe or a capsule interior design project for a specific premise. So let's go through the premises first. There is a personal wardrobe, a professional wardrobe, client wardrobe, personal home design, client home design, or a combination. Notice that for any of the options you choose, you're purchasing 30 items. So no matter the premise, I said you must choose 30 pieces. You want to stick to the budget of the premise you chose. You want to make sure to organize your layout in a way that is pleasing, and then you want to make sure it's cohesive and creative. You will fill out your document. You will create a design board, and then you'll advertise all of your items in the sales pitch on Flipgrid. So for the personal capsule wardrobe, your 30 pieces are split up right below there. You have a $500 projected budget, and on your document, you'll describe what it lists here. For the professional capsule wardrobe, your budget goes up a bit by $500, and you want to purchase items that are going to help you in your career path and will support what you do each day. For the client capsule wardrobe, you can choose from any of these following client options, and you have a budget, no matter what, of $500. For this option, option 4, you would choose one of the following rooms to design for yourself. And then here is a breakdown of your 30 items, and you get $1,000 to spend. Option 4 is to design a room for a client. So you could pick any of these here. And no matter the options you choose, here's your breakdown of your 30 items, and you get $1,000. The last option is you could choose any of the 3 premise options and just purchase 10 items from each. Your budget would be $1,000. So say you chose to get 10 clothing items for yourself, purchase 10 items for a room in your future home, and then 10 items for a professional wardrobe. You could complete this assignment that way. And that would be premise 1, 2, and then I think it would be 4 would be the last one you would choose. The same thing, you're going to, at the end, describe your wardrobe and why you feel it fits the premise in a flip grid. But let's go back to the document. So the way that you're going to get to the document to fill out is by clicking on the assignment sheet. Notice I gave you an example of it as well. So in the assignment sheet, it is going to break down exactly what you need to do. You're going to check off what your premise is, and then it gives you a space to describe your premise, and then list your items that you bought with a description, prices, source, picture. Notice if you buy 2 of the same thing, I gave you that option. You could put the price for one here, list the total number you need, and then the total cost. Say that I'm designing for a client's bedroom and I want to get 2 end tables and put one on either side of a king bed. Instead of putting them twice, I could just list it here and it would count for 2 of mine. At the bottom of this, it goes through the flip grid and it gives you links to a template for your board and a finished template. So here is an example of my board. So on here, you can see that I listed my name and my class period, and then I chose collection 1, which was just a personal wardrobe board. So here are some items that I thought I would get. I described what I was looking for. And then in the second one, I described my cost. I went way over budget. And then I described how I felt about that. Then I could include my Flipgrid link right here so that everything's in one spot. So in summary, for this assignment, you would be turning in this set of slides and this document filled out. Remember that there are examples of everything, how to fill out the document. So here you can see that I gave you an example on how to do that. If you have questions, let me know.